Hello friends, if you want to increase your IQ, do play Logic Master, which is a very interesting game. Now see, there are different questions in this. You have to solve them. For example, this one. You have to solve this equation. Now look at the clock, there's a square and there is a pointing finger. So what could be the answer? I wrote 2 as the answer. Is the answer correct? No, the answer is not correct. So look at the clock. It's 12 o'clock, 4 sides of the square and 1. So 12 minus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. So 9 is the answer. Next question is shoot the fly without killing it. So how can we shoot the fly? Let's see. So we can move the bread and the fly will fly away. Move it vigorously so that it flies away. Move it little vigorously. Yes, we are successful. Next question is I have picked a number. Guess what it is. How can we guess what's the number? There's no number written, so it's little tough to guess that. So what is the hint in this question that will help you? Look for the hint. Here you see there are 2 dots, so the number must be 2 only. Next is very interesting, save the frog. How will we save the frog? The water can be moved away and the frog will be saved. So easy. Next is fix the frame on the wall. How can we fix it with, what is this? Seems to be something familiar. Yes. So are they nails? Yes, they are nails. We have to push them into the wall with a hammer. So we are able to fix the frame on the wall. It was easy. Next is put the blue pencil out of the pocket. How can we remove them? We are not able to remove them as such. Oh, these stitches can be erased. Can we erase the stitches to remove the pencils? Yes, we are able to remove the pocket. Oh, it failed because both the pencils were out of the pocket. We have to remove only the blue pencil. So see, we are successful. Now you have to catch me. So what do you have to catch? We are unable to catch the tortoise. Oh. Catch me. It's a bit tricky. You have to catch the word me. Yes, we are successful. Next is pay attention to the colors and tap to continue. So look at the colors carefully. Green, red, blue and purple. Oh, we failed. We have to pay attention to the colors. So the colors are written with different colors. The names of them are written with different colors. Just click on the right colors. Don't look at the words. Just look at the colors. Red. Then if you click on the right color, then you will be successful in this. It's a bit tricky. Make sure the blue bug comes third in the race. So these are the bugs. There are 2 red bugs. touch the 20th bug from the bottom. Just count the bugs from the bottom, and it's a bit tricky. Count the 20th bug and you'll find the right bug. We have done that. So more such interesting stuff. Subscribe please.